To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
We will hear from us today. Although the public, we still want to look at money so we can go on business.
Did you get 2,000? Yes, me get 2,000.
We want to know.
Me don't have it for me now. Where you go do? Me I
Go
go to
pay
my
a
bank.
yard fee.
Me there me yard. You see, not understand these things. Big man not save money a yard. That's a simple thing. We use card.
Run bar! Run bar! Ryan Neville! Ryan Neville! Go on, yo! Come, brother, me and the PS, so we are going to bar, brother, go play pool, brother. You know, my car, get up the brother, we are. My, come on, brother.
Oh, me a coming right now. Shut up, what do you mean?
Where is
Make sure say on a pay me V2 special.
My friend said that
Listen, that chat so. Because you love that people place go drink and not pay, you know.
Me and him.
Hey, I don't want to class of dirty money, I know.
When you catch me to?
Remember saying when me
Look at
give me
you,
good and I pay, you have to pay me.
Oh no, good, don't tell it. I'm bad. Give me good.
I mean, me tell man, if me, you know, me and have like a relationship, and certain things me not like. Me love beat man that can move in the street.
Me not gonna get them pregnant. Say it.
Me not gonna beat them.
No.
So you come in now, you should all bring out one nice drink come in and something special and something. You come with the same attitude, don't cross it, man, you really can't take.
But me don't know. I don't even know what you like to drink. What you like to drink?
Same thing again, I yellow come on. You don't have to like, you don't have to know what I like.
Just
You
bring
bring,
some
you
come.
bring alcohol and you bring non-alcohol.
Let's go carry one big bag of Lasco.
Rum the bus na me head.
You have to tap drink rum.
Eh?
You have to tap drink.
Rum.
Bananas rum.
This one me.
You have to tap drink rum,
Rum.
man.
What? Rum my best thing.
That's my best thing.
I rum make me go back to school now. Rum motivate you and tell you what to do. Rum.